In the mornings, I like to make myself my iced coffee, especially in the summertime. Iced coffee is the best. It tastes so good, and I just make mine here at home. And I make mine the Venti or Trenti, whatever it's called, the biggest size at Starbucks. I got these tumblers on Amazon. They're huge and they're perfect for an iced coffee because I like mine with tons and tons of ice. So right now I'm gonna show you exactly how I make my iced coffees. This has been highly requested and I finally got it down exactly how I like them. I do like my coffees sweet, so just keep that in mind. We like to use the Starbucks Pike Place roast pods. I just think these taste really good. I've tried a few others and I just don't like them. So I first fill up my tumbler with a bunch of ice. I love my iced coffees with lots and lots of ice. And the settings I have the Keurig on, I have it on 8 ounces. You can do 6 or you can do 4 depending on how much you want it to taste like coffee. Now instead of creamer, I'll go ahead and use my Premier Protein in the caramel flavor. I got this from Alexandria Garza and it tastes so good. I don't stop there though. When I go to Starbucks, I get the iced caramel macchiato, so I drizzle some caramel in there. You can also do vanilla syrup if you'd like, or you can add some French vanilla creamer or any sweetener of your choice. And I just mix all of the ingredients together, and that is how I get my at-home iced coffee. You can always do more or less of the ingredients that I use, but this is just what I do to get the perfect taste for me. I did have a little bit of a later breakfast today because filming the first part took a lot longer than I thought. So for breakfast today, I ended up cooking up some bacon. I also did eggs and I did hash browns. I wanted to have avocado instead of the hash browns, but we didn't have any until later on in the day. We usually have something like this in the morning, or we'll make breakfast sandwiches, or sometimes we'll make waffles. I just got a waffle maker. We try to switch it up once in a while, but we just love eating this kind of breakfast. I just got done working out and I'm exhausted and I'm sweaty and I need a shower. But I'm eating a banana right now, and then I'm also eating some yogurt with granola. I typically like to eat something like this if I had a protein shake or protein drink in the morning. Today I had my protein coffee. If I didn't have one of my protein drinks in the morning, then I'll have a protein shake right now. We ended up going to the grocery store because we had to get some waters, and I ended up getting avocados, which I could have had this morning for breakfast, but that's perfect if you want some like healthy fats. Eating the avocado with the eggs and the bacon, that usually gets me full, sometimes even until lunchtime, and I'll just go ahead and skip on eating a snack in between. Since I'm still trying to, you know, gain weight and everything, I try to have a snack, but if I'm just full still from breakfast, I'll just wait to eat again until lunch. I'm just realizing you can see my mystery boxes in the background of this video. For lunch, I'm having this Kroger brand Cobb Salad kit. I tried a Cobb salad for the first time the other day and I really liked it. You can make this at home. You don't have to buy it if you don't want. All you have to do is cook up some bacon, or you can get bacon like this that I have up here. These bacon bits, and then you just do some hard-boiled eggs, some ham. This is blue cheese, but you can do ranch. I'm probably gonna do some ranch instead, and then some iceberg or romaine lettuce, and that's it. I was just very lazy and I was like, I already have these in the fridge, so why not just eat one of these for lunch? My plate's kind of small. And then why not just add some pepper again to give it more flavor. Now we're gonna move on to dinner. I didn't have a snack in between lunch and dinner. I wish I would have, but Chris is starting off by cooking some chicken on the stove. For our sides, we ended up doing baby potatoes and seasoned them with Lori's seasoned salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I have the garlic salt here, but I end up switching it for the garlic powder. And I also later drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. The other side that we had was just a very simple rice. It's just boiling the rice, and then I put a little bit of chicken flavor. You can also just steam up some rice in a rice cooker, and that'll do. And that is what I ate in a day. Of course, every single day is different. Sometimes I'll have more sweets than other days. Maybe I'll do another one of these on one of the days where I'm not so good with what I eat and something, I guess, a little bit more realistic. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this one, and I will see you all in my next video.